Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Algebra. This is fifth question of its exercise 11.2. So the question says that to find sum of three numbers 14, 27 and 13, we can have two ways. We may first add 14 and 27 to get 41 and then add 13 to it to get the total sum 54, or we may add 27 and 13 to get 40 and then add 14 to get sum 54. Thus 14 plus 27 plus 13 is equal to 14 plus 27 plus 13. So for any three whole numbers A, B and C, बस प्रॉपर्टी होती है A प्लस B प्लस C इज इक्वल टू A plus B plus C. So here both sums are equal. So हम 14, 27 and 13 को पहले first 2 then 13, otherwise पहले first 14 then add 27 plus 13. Result of both sums are equal. Thank you.